Hello and welcome to Auto Today. My name is Dipayan Datta and today you're joining me in Delhi along with these two brand new XUV 700s, and we're about to embark on an epic adventure from here in Delhi all the way to the world's highest motorable road in the Ladakh district called Umling-La. This road is at 19,300 feet, so this is going to be one hell of an adventure that will take us through some of the most treacherous terrains, and we'll get to find out how these two cars perform. So let's not waste any more time, hop in the cars and set off on this epic adventure. But first, the easiest part of our journey would be exiting Delhi and tackling the highways between Delhi and Manali. Wrapped in the luxury of the cabin of the XUV 700, the first 500 kilometers flew by without any of us realizing it. Although as we crossed the Atal Tunnel, the world's longest intermountain tunnel on our way to Leh, we got our first taste of what the next few days had in store for us. So we stopped off at Jispa and took the time to introduce the driver of our second car. You're joining us at Jispa, the halfway point on our epic adventure to Umling-La, the world's highest motorable road. Now, of course, we brought the two Mahindra XUV 700s all the way up here, and so far it's been mostly highway driving. I have to say though that the XUV 700s have been absolutely epic. They're just so smooth out on the highway, they really make the drive a whole lot of fun. And now it's time to introduce the driver of the second XUV 700. It's none other than our friends from Car and Bike, driven by Mr. Kingshuk Datta. So, how has the drive been so far?
Thank you for the wonderful introduction. And yes, the drive has been really epic so far. But like Dipayan said, it has all been highway driving, most of it, but now the drive climb up to Leh and further onwards to Umling-La is only going to get tougher.
You know what they say, when the roads get tough, the tough get going.
Absolutely. And the Mahindra XUV 700 SUVs, they live by their maxim. In fact, even Mahindra lives by this maxim. So we are going to test the capacity, the capability of these two SUVs to the toughest maximum possible point. Are you
Absolutely,
interested?
to the limit. Let's do this. The next day, after fueling up our cars and filling a few auxiliary tanks for the way, we gave our cars a little TLC before we set off from Leh with the little Himalayan hamlet of Hanle in our sights. As we drove along, we sat in silence through terrain that changed contrastingly every few seconds. Although at the time little did we know just how grueling the drive would be, pushing both man and machine to the absolute limit in what is without a doubt the most inhospitable terrain on the planet. This would be the ultimate test of the brand new Mahindra XUV 700 and all the hype surrounding it since its launch. Now there is just so much to love about this new XUV 700, especially from inside the cabin. Not only just the way it drives, but the features that come together to make the drive experience that much more fulfilling. For one, let's talk about the headlights. Now you have automatic headlights with auto blippers, but the cornering function of these headlights are just so accurate that they made passing through some of the world's most dangerous roads last night just an absolute breeze. Whether it was Tanglangla or Baralachala as we passed through in the dead of night, the light was always there and in the right position, making it just so safe to drive through no matter what. Now, of course, the road is going to get even tougher, so stay tuned for the adventure ahead. And tougher it was. Between slippery gravel roads lined with jagged rocks and soft sand traps, extremely rarefied air and bone-chilling temperatures, it was the first time we considered that our two-wheel drive XUV 700s may not be up for the task. But through it all, and through the worst of terrains, the XUV 700s just kept going. From the climb up to Fort Ila and then onward to Chimsule, the cars just kept going, proving just how good they are. Ladies and gentlemen, we promised you the world's highest motorable road, and here we are, 19,300 feet above sea level, and throughout it all on our 1400 kilometer plus journeys from Delhi to Umlingla, the Mahindra XUV 700 has been absolutely incredible. Kingshuk, what do you think of the Mahindra XUV 700? And what was your favorite part of this drive?
No, absolutely. I mean, these two SUVs, they have been absolutely epic. They are built tough, they are sturdy, and there were a couple of moments where we thought these cars wouldn't make it, but they persevered and they just kept on going. Sunshine, rain, sleet, we even encountered some snow. So these two cars, these two SUVs, they are petrol two-wheel drive SUVs with automatic transmission. We had our doubts, but Mahindra XUV 700 is truly a magnificent beast, and it has the toughness to conquer these kinds of terrains like Umlingla at 19,300 feet.
And it's proved it, right?
Absolutely.
So I think are going to take another 5 minutes and take a few pictures. But that's all for us. We're signing off for now.